is Manju, and I teach Lego robotics and I teach Raspberry Pi. My day job is I'm a professor for San Diego State. I've been with Sally Ride for 7 years now. Lego robotics involves building actual robots with Legos. A lot of kids who love Legos want to take it to the next level. So they like building stationary structures and they want to see it move now. So this involves power functions, this involves motors, and they get to see their Lego creations move. It also involves programming. Raspberry Pi involves building an actual computer. So we get a tiny computer and then we build all of the circuitry inside of it. They get to build their own camera modules, their own buzzer alarms, and they get really excited about it. So it's both engineering and programming involved. They are taught by not high schoolers or college kids, but actual professionals. So I think that's what makes the difference.
Hi, I'm Soha and I'm 10 years old. Right now, I'm in the Lego robotics. What I like about the Lego robotics class is get to build something, code it, and test it. And I've always really enjoyed it, and it's really fun.
My name is Rishi, and I'm 7 years old. I'm taking filmmaking in tiny houses. We're using SketchUp, and what I like about tiny houses is that we just get to do whatever we want with our houses and decorate it however we want.
My name's Trevor Stein. I normally teach at New School of Architecture and Design. I'm a professor there. I've been teaching there for 10 years. I've been teaching Sally Ride science programs for the past 5 to 6 years. The courses that I teach are envisioning sustainable cities of the future, teach the art of map making, innovations, inventions, and patents, virtual exploration of the world for sustainable causes, and I teach tiny houses. There's a pressing need here in San Diego for tiny houses, as well as the rest of the United States and many parts of the world, due to affordability, due to sustainability aspects, due to urban spacing. These are realistic topics that we're covering today that we're teaching very young people about, because if they know how to design these small houses, then these will be our designers for the future, and we can get an early head start to create a sustainable San Diego and sustainable Southern California. Well, I think the STEM aspect is super important. In all my classes, I try to touch on each aspect of STEM with the science, technology, engineering, mathematics, such as the tiny homes. They have to do engineering in that house. They have to make it so it's going to be a functional home. The science is about the sustainability. What are the sustainable aspects that go into that? Realistically, how we use critical thinking to further develop our societies in a sustainable manner.